Every designer constantly needs to search for a necessary tool among a huge number. Always keep all the hotkeys in his head. We solve this problem with a revolutionary feature, Rubius voice control. Let me show you how it works. Rectangle, 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 circle, circle, line, Miro, trim. Voice control knows 80 of the most common commands and recognizes them with 99% accuracy. No more wasted time searching for tools in panels or hunting down keyboard shortcuts. Complete focus on the design, fast AutoCAD learning, and the most natural human-machine interaction possible can now be yours. Try it. It's free in the Autodesk App Store.